What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to run a subscription box business on Shopify. So I'll get you through some steps here, some tips that you need to do in order to run this type of business. Now the first thing I would like to recommend is, of course, after signing up to a Shopify store right here, is to go ahead and select a proper theme. And to do so, go to online store here, click on it. And by default, the first tab that'll open is themes. Now, also by default, the DOM theme will be the active theme for your Shopify store, which is good enough. It's not bad theme. However, you can go ahead and see other popular themes as well. I do recommend also the Spotlight theme. It's pretty good, as well as some other themes. The Refresh theme is very good as well and looks amazing. Now, once you've gone ahead and selected your theme, you can go ahead and customize your theme, edit your brand colors to have your color palette that matches the colors for or identity of your brand. And once you've set up your theme, you need, of course, to make sure you know the products or the product category that you are going to sell, to have in mind a solid idea of the niche that you are targeting or the product category that you are selling. A subscription box is basically where you sell like recurring items. So the customer will not only pay once, however, he'll pay for a monthly subscription and get the item like per monthly basis. So you might have seen before the mystery boxes that you can subscribe to and get each month a mystery box with different types of snacks and stuff like that, and even men's care, hair care, and other types of business of products. So the subscription box is basically, even if it's a digital product that you are selling, a subscription box is basically a recurring service or product that will get to your customer automatically on a weekly or monthly basis, and he'll pay a subscription, not a one-time payment as if they are purchasing a product on a store. Now, once you've selected your theme and set up your mind and decided which product that you want to sell, now to get the actual features of the subscription box business model, you need to install an app. And Shopify, because Shopify doesn't natively support this kind of business, installing an app is the only way to go. Now, go to Add Apps here from the menu on the left. Okay, click on it. And then here, click on Shopify App Store. And search for the first app, which is called Bold. So type in Bold here, hit enter. And this is the one we are after, the Bold subscriptions. Click on it. And then click on install. And then install again here. And you can see here that it costs $49.99 a month. Okay, continue. And you could pay here, add your payment method, credit card or PayPal, in order to pay for your subscription. The first 30 days are free, so you get a free trial to try out the app if you want to. Now, the second app I would recommend, close this tab to go back to the store, is called Recharge. Hit enter. And this is the one, Recharge subscriptions, which has also a free trial available. And the Loop subscription is also a great option, which has a free plan available. So let's go with that now. Click on it, then install. Then install once again. And now I'm on the app's dashboard. Now, first of all, here you need to create a subscription plan and then install the subscription widget into your theme. So first of all, let's create a plan. Okay, create a selling plan. And now the name is subscribe and save. So let's say, for example, you are offering a certain product for, let's say $100. However, if this person would like to save more and subscribe to get this product automatically on a monthly basis, he could get a discount. So let's rename here subscribe and save. Let's leave it as it is. The internal name here, that's for you only. Let's say the snack box subscription. Let's say we're selling some snacks. Now the plan sector is frequency, and the priority, let's leave it as 1 here. Okay, now the availability, we'll set to growth here. Now the charge and delivery every month or week. Down here you select the intervals on which the customer will receive their item, every week, every month, and here 2 every month, or you can even control the number of items. So let's say 1 every month, delivery every month. So let's change it to monthly delivery. Okay, and here deliver every month. That will what will be on the label. Now the discount type, we can choose it here as a percentage. For example, a 10% discount if the customer chooses to receive the item each month. Okay, and you can even charge the discount after a specific number of payments, after here the initial order, or after, for example, the 5th payment. And the discount type here is percentage as well. So let's say if the customer wants to get the discount immediately, he'll get a 10% discount. However, if he wants to get the discount, if he can wait till the 5th payment, he'll get an even greater discount, which is the 20%. And here you can add another frequency. So let's say I have a plan here for monthly delivery, deliver 1 item per month. And let's say I have a bi-weekly, so deliver every 2 weeks here. I can get the customer to choose between them. Of course, here the delivery every 2 weeks, let's name it. And here delivers every 2 weeks. Or here, let's name it bi-monthly. Okay, the discount type is also percentage. However, this is going to be a greater percentage to encourage customers to subscribe for the more frequent plan. So let's make this 15% discount value. Okay, and I can even add a discount or change discount after a specific number. So after like 3 payments, he'll get a percentage discount of 20% or 25%. Okay, and I can even add other frequencies, so I can have multiple plans, like 1 weekly plan, 1 every 2 weeks, 1 monthly plan, and so on. You have all the control that you need. Now here, let's save the changes. Of course, here you have a note that says that your store is not eligible yet for selling subscriptions. I need to add payment methods and connect my PayPal or Stripe to be able to accept payments in order to activate the subscription-based model. So here I have no products added. I need to add products here to my store in order to add them to this plan. And let's go to the home here on Loop. Now I've set the subscription plan. And let's now install the subscription widget on our theme. Okay, I need to, here for the Dawn theme, I need to install Loop Snippet. And then add selling plan selector. And here I need to map products. Of course, I don't have any products yet. However, you get the idea. Now let's go back home and to install subscription widget. And you need here to complete all the steps in order to be able to activate the plan on your Shopify store. So that's how easy it is to run and manage subscription box businesses on your Shopify store.